The chassis and lids of the ZenBook 13 OLED is made of diamond-cut aluminum alloy. As with all other ASUS ZenBooks, the unique concentric circles ZenBook finish is featured on their lids, presenting a surface that is soothing and sophisticated in appearance. The ZenBook 13 OLED weighs 1.14 kilograms, respectively. Along with a thin and lightweight design, it features a side profile of 13.9 millimeters, which results in a sleek form factor that's easy to carry. The ZenBook 13 OLED is available pine gray and lilac mist. Pine gray offers a restrained and calm appearance. The ASUS ZenBook 13 OLED has an up to 13.3-inch OLED HDR display that supports 1920 by 1080 resolution and 0.2 milliseconds response time. The display offers an ultra-wide color gamut of 100% DCI, P3, which is widely used in the motion picture industry, and is Pantone validated to provide the most precise color accuracy. Color accuracy is usually represented by a 2D color gamut diagram that shows how colors are faithfully reproduced, but only at a particular brightness level. However, since the ability to reproduce colors accurately at different levels of brightness is crucial, ASUS OLED panels are calibrated to accurately reproduce colors in a 3D color volume, showing what the panel would reproduce at 100% DCI, P3 color gamut regardless of brightness level. This ensures all content is displayed accurately and as intended by its creators, not just at full brightness but at any brightness setting. This is especially important for HDR content. ASUS ZenBook 13 OLED display also supports up to 400 nits of highlight brightness and 0.0005 nits of deep black brightness, providing creators with a brighter and more detailed viewing experience. With the extreme contrast and accurate color reproduction at any level, everything looks crisp and vibrant, even within darker content. This helps with eye comfort, too. You can dial down the brightness, without losing contrast and color vibrancy, resulting in reduced blue light emission. With thin and light form factors, the ZenBook 13 OLED is equipped with the 11th Gen Intel Core processors, and supports up to 32 GB of memory and a 1 TB C3.0 NVMe SSD as well as Thunderbolt 4, standard HDMI 2.0 and USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, along with a microSD card reader. All of these options ensure comprehensive connectivity. The ZenBook 13 OLED is equipped with a 67-watt-hour battery which can provide up to 13 hours of battery life, more than enough to cover a day of work or play unplugged. They also offer a fast charge function, charging from 2% to 60% in just 49 minutes. The ZenBook 13 OLED has been tested to meet the ultra-demanding MIL/STD 810G US military standard for reliability and durability. Tests consisted of a punishing regime designed to ensure survival in harsh environments, and included power on-drop tests and operation at extreme altitude and temperature. The ZenBook 13 OLED has also passed ASUS laptop stress tests that far exceed the standards set by the industry.